Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy. I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall an airbag in this 2014 Nissan Versa. If you need any parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. I'm going to take a 10mm wrench. We're going to loosen up this ground connection on the battery. I'm going to disconnect the battery. Loosen that up. And just wiggle it back and forth, disconnect the battery. Set this aside. Before we remove the airbag, you're going to want to make sure you take the key out of the ignition, set it aside, and then disconnect the battery. Before we do any work on the airbag, we're going to want to wait 3 minutes after disconnecting the battery. Next, I'm going to take a small flat blade screwdriver. You could take a blunt object, and we're going to slide it into this hole on the side of the steering wheel. You're going to feel around. We're going to push on a little spring, and that's going to release the airbag. You're going to push and pull on the airbag itself, and that released it. Then I'm going to go over to the other side and do the same. There we go. Right, so peel this forward, rock it forward. This is what was clipped into the bottom, down below there, in that spring, right there. And the two side springs over here. You can see, you stick the screwdriver in there. You're going to release these springs. It's kind of hard to see from the outside, but that's how it works. Same with this side. Just like that. Push that in, that releases the airbag. To disconnect the airbag, there's the horn disconnect right here. Just pull that off. And then these two connectors here, I'm going to use a right angle pick. Just get underneath this lock release. Gently pry it up. And sometimes the lock will come up. Just get underneath here. Lift up on it and then release the airbag connectors. And there's a retainer right here. Take the wires out, pull the airbag out. When you store the airbag, you want to store it facing upwards. So if it does happen to go off, it does not blow up. So we put that in the back seat. Now we're going to reinstall our airbag. We're going to take this horn wire. This is going to connect right here. Connect it right there. Right, we're going to connect this orange wire right here. Just line that up, push it down, and then push this little lock tab in place. I'll take this yellow one and do the same thing. Line this up, push it down, and lock it in place. There's this little retainer that holds the wires underneath here. Just like that. Okay, now we're gonna try to line the airbag up. Push it in down below, and then lock it all the way down. You can reconnect the negative terminal on the battery. Use a 10mm wrench. Snug it up, make sure it's nice and tight. That's good, it won't move.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.